PGL, one of the biggest, if not the biggest, esports tournament organizers in the world, just released an announcement na magkakaroon sila ng MLBB qualifiers somewhere around Europe. You know what time it is? Hands in. I would say this is pretty good news. Kumbaga may recognition na ng PGL and they're tapping such an untapped region, which is Europe. Siguro may mga ibang teams na umaaligid every now and then, pero para sa akin wala pang structure eh. This might just be a small step, siguro interest check lang to, but at least we're tapping into a brand new market. People are saying na bakit ba tinatawag na M-World Championship? Karamihan sa mga kasali puro mga Asian teams lang. I feel like this is a really solid step to somehow say na it's possible. We're obviously hoping na sana maraming sumali, even though I feel like in the western parts of the world, parang mas komportable sila sa paggamit ng PC over mobile games. But honestly, you'll never know. Malay natin. With the PGL taking notice of MLBB, I wonder if there are players doon na magugulat na lang tayo na marami pala sila. We'll see more updates of this very soon, but I'm really happy with this development and I hope it continues further.